Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, has flagged up the reconstruction of 2 roads in Ukwa West local government area of Abia State. The roads are the Owaza-Uzuaku Road and the 144 Battalion Road. Our correspondent reports that the dilapidated roads, which traverse several communities in Abia and River States, are expected to be completed in 6 months to aid the socio-economic development in both states.
The Owaza, Uzuaku and 144 Battalion roads are major routes for commuters shuttling between Abia, Rivers and Akwa Ibom states. However, the roads have been in a dilapidated state for over 5 years, prompting the recent intervention by the NDDC. While flagging off the projects recently, Abia State representative on the board of the NDDC, Honorable Dingba Eruba, said the reconstruction of the roads will alleviate the suffering of commuters and link Aba, one of Nigeria's largest industrial centers, to other parts of the Niger Delta.
The MD, in his passion to develop the region, graciously approved the award of the contract to reconstruct a very deplorable road from Owaza to Imo River. Want you to own it up as your project. Want you to support him, support NDDC from inception to completion.
The Owaza, Uzuaku and 144 Battalion roads, which cover a distance of 18 kilometers, cut across several communities in Abia State and terminate Oyigbo local government area in Rivers State. The roads are expected to be completed within 6 months. On seeing the NDDC team perform the road flag-off ceremony, excited residents of Owaza community and commuters expressed gratitude to the NDDC for what they said would bring them relief.
We have suffered a lot for this road. Accidents happen here all the time. Sometimes hold up will be here more than 3 hours. We that are selling here, we don't use to sell market again because of the bad road. People are not moving here like before.
As they are walking, I will give them bottled water, pure water, everything, so the way you can go.
NDDC people, I say may God bless you in Jesus' name.
The reconstruction of the Owaza, Uzuaku and 144 Battalion roads in Abia State is part of efforts being made by the NDDC to address infrastructure decay, which has stifled development in the Niger Delta for many years.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,